In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the can't connect securely to this page issue on Microsoft Edge. If you've encountered this problem, you know how frustrating it can be when you're just trying to browse safely. But don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through a few effective steps to resolve it. First, let's start by tackling the basics, which involve clearing your browser data. Open Microsoft Edge and navigate to the menu icon, which is usually represented by three dots in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Privacy, Search and Services. As you scroll down, look for the Clear Browsing Data section and click on Choose What to Clear. In the menu that appears, make sure to check the boxes for cached images and files, along with cookies and other site data. Once you've selected these, go ahead and click on Clear Now. This action will remove any corrupted files that might be causing connectivity issues. After clearing your data, restart Edge and try accessing the previously problematic website again to see if the issue is resolved. If clearing the browser data didn't do the trick, it's time to check if your Microsoft Edge is up to date. Go back to the menu and choose Settings, and then head over to About Microsoft Edge. Here, Edge will automatically check for updates. If any updates are available, they will be installed right away. Once the updating process is complete, restart Edge for all changes to take effect. Sometimes an outdated version of the browser might not support certain security protocols, so this step can be particularly helpful. Now let's adjust some security settings. Return to the Privacy, Search and Services section in the Edge settings, and this time click on Security. You might want to tweak the Enhance Your Security on the Web feature by adjusting it to a more lenient setting. Remember, be cautious when changing security settings and ensure you understand the implications. If you feel uncertain, explore the additional options available within the security section to better tailor your browser's behavior to your needs. Another potential cause for this issue could be your antivirus or firewall software. These programs sometimes interfere with your browsing experience. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and see if that resolves the connection issue. However, make sure to turn it back on after testing to keep your device protected. Lastly, incorrect date and time settings on your computer can often lead to connectivity hiccups. Double check to ensure that your system's date and time are set correctly. This might sound simple, but it's a frequent culprit for secure connection problems. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the can't connect securely to this page issue on Microsoft Edge. Each of these methods addresses common causes, and by trying them, you enhance your chance of getting back to a smooth browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.